Morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are seeing this video. Welcome to Great Trading Lab. Before we get started, kindly click on the subscription button, like and share this video. Today I'll be talking about the trade that we took last week and also the mistake that was made last week. Um, Last week the trade I entered was Euro GBP. Euro GBP UGP have been on a downtrend from here. We had a retracement because we have a change of structure here. So we have a retracement back to this zone and then a new lower low and a new lower high. So we had a retracement back to this zone, but we had price broke above these points, but I didn't give price chance to breathe here. This is the mistake I made on this trade. I didn't give price chance to breathe on this zone. I was supposed to wait for a break and a retest here. I was supposed to wait for this market at least to break above here and then retrace back, but the market was before I buy up, but I didn't. I took the trade here. So this was the mistake I made on Euro GBP and it cost me a lot. It cost me a whole lot because we had a higher low and a higher high here. We had a higher low and a higher high, so we're having a kind of network issue. We have a higher low and a higher high, so we have a change of structure here, but I was already on this trade before this change of structure. I entered the trade here. I entered the trade somewhere here, but the markets went straight to my SL, and then that was when I knew that okay, I messed up my entry. I messed up body school. We took the loss, and at least I know what's happened and the mistake I made. So this is what I'm expecting from the market from next week. Expecting the market to go back to this zone and then we drive the market down to the downside because we have the market on a downtrend on a 1 week and also on a daily and the 4 hours as well. The market is on a downtrend, so that is it. But this particular trade, I gave the signal on my Telegram group. I told them not to buy because I was skeptical about the movement. So as you can see it on the Telegram group. So if you are not part of my Telegram group, you need to be part of my Telegram group for free weekly signals like this. So but me, I took this trade. I was still holding this trade because I was having some confirmation here, especially when I had this hammer. I was like, okay, let's see some confidence. I was like, okay, the market may go up, but the market drove straight to our stop loss from here, and I already knew that I was going to lose this trade, but I just don't know why I didn't leave this trade. But it's good. It's good. The next trade is Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. We have Euro USD on a downtrend, and we are still expecting the market. My stop loss is here. My stop loss is here. But I had a position here that my stop loss was here that got stopped out. So we are still expecting Euro USD to go bullish. Bearish from next week. So this is it for Euro USD. We are still expecting Euro USD to be bearish. Let's go to USD CHF. USD CHF. This was also the trade I was on last week that I didn't believe that I was going to get stopped out, but here we are. We have a good head and shoulder pattern, and if you look also to the left side, I had a trade to like that here, but the sell, I got stopped out before the market went to my direction. And here again, I got stopped out again. And we are still expecting the market to go up to the upside because we are still pretty much bullish on this like on the 1 week. We have the market on the lowest low. The market have not been on this point before. We have the market on the lowest low, so we are expecting the market to go up, especially with this rejection. The market reached this point and it rejected here, rejected, and we have a bullish reversal candlestick here on the weekly time frame. So if we go down to the daily, we'll see that the market changed structure and we have a good head and shoulder pattern, a break and a retest. So we're expecting the market to drive up. On the 4 hours, we have a nice head and shoulder pattern here, a nice head and shoulder pattern here, left shoulder, the head, and then the right shoulder. So we had the retest, we had the break of the neckline, and then we have the retest to the neckline. So we are expecting price to move up to the upside, expecting this from next week. So I'm still looking at the trade. I'm still looking at the trade, but I'm not happy the way price is reacting on this zone. But it's not also bad. It's not the first time. If we see, we had something like that on USD JPY. USD JPY got stopped out 2 times before the market went to my direction here, before the market went to my direction. So it happened most of the time. So on USD JPY, I'm expecting price to go bearish. I'm expecting price to go bearish because we have a change of structure on the daily time frame, and we are just having a change of structure on USD JPY too much because the market is just reacting so fast. We have the first change of structure just not long ago, and we're having another one. So we have the market going bearish again, still at the same point where I got my first trade, my first and second stop loss on USD JPY. Not like my first, like my first for I think last month. As you can see, I I got stopped out here the first time, second time. But that is it. We are back again below this point, and you know, when we are below this point we sell, when we are above this point we buy. So we are below this point. When we are below here we sell, so when we are above we buy. So now we are below this point. This is the lower high and then the lower low. We have price retrace back to this zone, so we are expecting a sell on USD JPY from next week. But what I will just be expecting, I'll be expecting like a push here, and then the market should just like give us like a week out from that point so we can enter the trade. So from on USD JPY, if you want to enter this trade with me, my link is on my YouTube. My Telegram link is on my YouTube, so you can click on the Telegram link and join the YouTube so that you will not miss out on my entry. So on USD JPY we are bearish, and then let's go to AUD CHF. AUD CHF, we had a first entry here, but we didn't take the trade. We missed the trade with this sell, so we are back. If you are following my YouTube, you see when I talked about a buy and also a sell on this AUD CHF. So we are through with the sell and we are expecting price to move up to the upside. So we have price back to this to this support zone, and we, if you look well, we see that we have a left shoulder, a head, and also a right shoulder. And then the market broke up the neckline and we have the retracement, so we are expecting price to move up to the upside. So this is it for AUD CHF. AUD USD. AUD USD. I'm expecting AUD USD to go bullish because we are pretty much bullish on this pair on the daily, and we are also bullish on the 1 week time frame. So we are just expecting the market to go bullish. We are expecting the market to go bullish. We had like a break and a retest here on the daily time frame. We have a break and a retest here. So, and we have a change of structure here. We have a change of structure here. So we are expecting AUD USD to go bullish from next week. So this video is containing like my previous trade I took for last week, and also my outlook for next week. So just take your time and don't be in a hurry. Just go through the video so that you're not going to miss out on the entry and also my setups. Not like my setup, fxalexg setup. Anyone. So we're expecting this AUD USD to go bullish. So this is it for AUD USD. USD card. USD card, I was expecting the market to go bearish like a counter trend, but we didn't take the trade and we avoided the loss. I would have taken the trade from here, but we avoided this loss. I was expecting the market to go bearish so that we can maybe buy from here to the upside, like, but we didn't take the trade and we are having market going to the upside. So it would have been like a 3 straight loss on USD CAD, because I had the first loss, I had the second loss, and this one was avoided. This one was avoided. So this is it. BTC USD. BTC USD, I've not been looking at BTC USD because we got stopped out on our last position on BTC USD. So the market have just been going up, no serious retracement. The market have just pumping to the upside, and even when we expected the market to retrace to 117, the market didn't retrace. The market is still going. Now we have the market on 125k. This is amazing. So we know still entry on BTC USD. We can't force the market to give us entry. So no entry on BTC USD. Let's go to Tesla stock. Tesla stock, we are still expecting Tesla stock to move up to 500 soon. We're still expecting Tesla stock to move up. So people USDT, I had 3 straight loss on people USDT, like back-to-back straight loss on people USDT, but we are still expecting the market to go move up to the upside. Maybe we have a retracement here, then market move up. So that's what we are expecting for people USDT. And Trump USDT, I also had a loss. I took a loss on Trump USDT because I was expecting the market to fill up this place, and since we were bearish, we broke the lowest point here. So I was expecting the market to drop down to 6.88, but we didn't. We had the clean break and retest, but still the market moved up to the upside and stop us out. So we are pretty much bearish now on Trump, people, USDT, and BTC. No entry for now, and this is the pair I'll be looking out for next week. I'm just going to be watching the trade to see if I'm going to have any good entry. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and don't also forget to share the video and click the link to join my Telegram group so that you won't miss out of my entry. Thank you.